So recently I noticed something about my laptop. I carbon wrapped the entire thing, including the Batman sticker on the back, but now the Batman sticker is coming loose. Since I am a big Overwatch fan, I would love to have some kind of D.Va logo on it, or something like that. I designed the D.Va bunny and the logo in 3D and 3D printed it.
Okay.
After one failed attempt, it came out okay. I printed this 2 times in 2 versions because it was a bit too edgy, I think.
Thank you.
The one I liked, I sanded it down a bit to make it smoother.
Epic.
Next step is painting it. I painted this in the famous D.Va pink, at least the closest thing I could find in the store. It's kinda hard to find such a specific pink. Next step is dry brushing it with the metal color. I wanted to give it a damaged look and create the illusion like it's some kind of real metal. It turned out okay, I guess. This glue is expired.
Love, D.Va.
It turned out great, I think. Thank you for watching.
All systems checked out.
Can you hear my heartbeat calling? Can you feel the love we're falling? Just take my hand and take me home tonight. Throwing caution to the wind, I'll take a chance and let you in. Just take my hand and take me home.